So challenging questions I am going to discuss, and students can please participate and give the correct answer. 10 minutes. So each one carries one mark. So please tell me the correct answer in a limited time. So now this is the, for example, first one. So 2 moles of benzoacetophenone CH3. So in presence of a lithium diisopropylamine at minus 70 degrees centigrade in dichloromethane as a solvent. So what is the product, please? So now there is the C double bond O, and here and OH, CH3 and phenyl group. So now this is the beta, alpha and beta. So this is called beta hydroxy ketone, and just further heating in acidic medium, so it loss of water molecule, and it gives, what is the product, please tell me the answer. C double bond O and CH double bond CH3, and here benzene. So this is the right answer, this is the correct answer. And the second one, so for example 1,3 diketone, 1,3 diketone, it is a very good alpha hydrogens, and a reaction with 2 furan aldehyde. So in presence of a dilute sodium hydroxide, first step followed by dehydration. So what is the reaction, please tell me what is the product expected in this reaction. So what is the reaction? So because of alpha hydrogens are there, and so now this is the nucleophilic addition reaction. So the product is, I am writing, please student please notice that this is the double bond, and this is the oxygen, and this is the, so now this is the alpha and beta. So this is the right answer, this is the correct answer. And third one, for example, so this is the aldehyde. So in presence of a dilute sodium hydroxide, aldol reaction followed by a dehydration reaction. So what is the product, please follows. So like this, CHO, and here carbanion will form. So now this is the double bond and cyclopentane ring. So now this is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, and this is the correct answer. So next one is the fourth one. So fourth one, it's a very interesting example. It's a cyclodecane. This is the cyclodecane and dienone compound, and in presence of a OH minus and H3O plus. And what is the product, please? So if we can, because here carbanion will form on cyclization and followed by dehydration, so it will form a bicyclic compound, and here so it will form a double bond here, and here a double bond like that, and so it is alpha beta unsaturated. So this is the right answer. And fifth conversion. So for example, cyclohexanone is there, and here methyl cyclohexanone in presence of H plus. What's your answer? So the answer is, so because of enolic form. So this is the right answer, because it is the enol, and this is the ketone. So like this. So in acidic medium, enol is more stable, so it's a very good reaction. And sixth one, so very important. So now here trifluoro is there, and here CH3 is there, and in presence of first one lithium diisopropylamine as a base, and second one is a propyl bromide. So what is your answer? Students, please give the answer. What is mean by LDA? Lithium diisopropyl, like this. Lithium, this is the lithium minus and lithium plus. So lithium diisopropylamine is the very strong base. So what is the reaction? Please tell me the answer. So please, because here carbanion is a very important, because it's a trifluoro, and because it's a more acidic hydrogen, so that the product is a very good. So now this is the propyl, and this is the CF3, and here methyl group. So the correct answer is this one is the, because this side will be alkylation will taking place through SN2 reaction. So this is the product cyclopropane, and here methyl, and here CF3, and once carbanion, like this. So this is a very nice example. And seventh one, so yeah, this is also very good. Like that is there, and like that in case of, so this is also SN2 type reaction, and benzyl bromide followed by N-butyl lithium, and so what is the product? So we can see that this is the product. So because of this is the act as a nucleophile, here a carbanion will form, and because of this carbanion, and it will form a CH2CH3 alkylation, and then again because of here you can see that. So one more time I can write clearly. So what will form here? So what is the product here? So the product is N, like that and like this. So benzyl CH2Br and N-butyl lithium, so it leads to, so same compound, and here like that benzyl alkylation is a product. So this is the right answer. And the next example is that Stock enamine reaction. It's a very interesting example, Stock enamine reaction. So here this is the Stock enamine, and first reaction is that benzoyl chloride, and followed by hydrolysis. So please give the answer. Students, please note down and tell me the answer. Correct answer is, the right answer is, so this is the right answer, alpha beta unsaturated, this one, because so once it will form a conjugation here carbanion, so that it is similar to SN2 reaction, so that this is the product. So this is the right answer. And the next one is that, so C double bond O and CH3, and first one is LDA minus 78 degrees centigrade, and second one equivalent of Br2. So what is the, please tell me what is the answer. Please tell me the answer. So the answer is alpha halo compound. So this is the right answer. Why? Because in lithium diisopropylamine carbanion will form, so that Br minus, so it is a, so like that so nucleophilic substitution type, so alpha halo alpha bromo ketone. So this is the very good intermediate, and so we can prepare a lot of compounds from this. So another reaction, 10th reaction is, so for example carboxylic acid is there, and a reaction with very important Br2 in presence of phosphorus tribromide. It is a HBZ reaction, Hell-Walhard-Jelinski reaction, very important. So what is the intermediate in this reaction? What is the final product? Please, very students, last very important reaction, several times they asked here. So now this is the intermediate. Please remember that this is the intermediate. This is the intermediate, very important intermediate. And then simple hydrolysis, because once it will form a compound like this, and what is the final product? Alpha halo carboxylic acid. So this is the final product. So right answer is this one. And if in examination they may ask what is the intermediate mean, this is the correct structure, because you can see this is very easily it can be hydrolysis taking place. So that's why this is the correct. So here Br at alpha position Br, this is the right answer. And part B. So in part 2, so I am telling the answer and tell the what are the reactants are required. So because the ketone and here alpha beta unsaturated, so this is the alpha position and this is the beta. So at alpha position oxygen, alpha position hydrogen and beta position oxygen. So what is the product here? This is the acetone and this is the also acetone. So this is the A and B. So these two are the reactants. And 11th one, for example, this is the benzene here and alpha beta CH3 and C double bond OH. So what are the reactants for this one? Please identify, because we have to identify this is alpha and this is the beta at alpha hydrogen and at beta position oxygen. So that the answer is so benzaldehyde plus propanaldehyde. So benzaldehyde and propanaldehyde is the right answer. And 13th one, so what are the starting compounds of beta ketoester? So this is the beta ketoester, very important. So we have to, so very important, so beta ketoester means you can see you have to disconnect like that. And so for this one C double bond O and C double bond O ethyl, and like that will be there. So for this one we need, so this is the beta ketoester. From the beta ketoester and sodium ethoxide, in presence of a base here it will form a carbanion and followed by methyl iodide. So it gives the C double bond O and CH3 and COO ethyl. So this is the product. So these are the starting reactants, sodium methoxide and methyl iodide. So next one, so last example. So for example, how to convert. So this is the ester is there and this is the ester is there and cyclopentane is there. So very important, how to, what are the reactants to be used to prepare of this compound. The reactants is, so 1 2 3 like that. So 1 bromo, so 1 bromo 4 chloro butane. So this is the very important, this is the reactants and using of this one, and sodium methoxide or ethoxide. So this is the base. So because once we have a bromine one side and chlorine other side, bromine is more reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then so what is the reactants to be required? And another one, malonic ester. So this is the correct answer. So malonic ester and sodium methoxide and 1 bromo 4 chlorobutane. So what is the mechanism here? So first, for example, so CO2 and CO2 ethyl here and hydrogen by using of sodium ethoxide, and it will form a carbanion. So it will form a carbanion here, and followed by bromo and chloro, 1 2 3 4 chloro. So it is a substitution type, so it will form CO ethyl and C double bond O. So it will form CH2 and 1 2 3 4 chloro. So, and further using of sodium ethoxide as a base and one more carbanion form, and so it leads to SN2 reaction, and finally a cyclization will takes place and it will form a beta ester. So like that is cyclopropane ring. So after sodium hydroxide and further heating of this one loses, it will form a carboxylic acid here, carboxylic acid. So further heating of this one, it gives cyclopentanoic acid. So cyclopentanoic acid, these are the important conversions. Thank you.